Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted accounts on Temu. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Temu and you click here. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.